Know your worth. Minsan, tinitiis na lang natin maghintay. Minsan, nagtatyaga tayo sa kung anong meron, sa kung anong pwede at sa kung ano yung nakahain na. Only to find out that we deserve more than that. We just have to know our worth. Pumila ako sa bangko ng isang oras only to find out na may privilege pala akong hindi pumila dahil gold member ako. I didn't know my worth eh. All throughout that membership, akala ko hindi ako worthy enough na I'm just a mere member. I forgot my worth. I didn't know my worth. All I know was I had to wait for an hour for the tellers to entertain my query. I settled for what I know at that moment. I totally forgot to ask. Parang ngayon may stage sa buhay natin na settled na tayo sa kung anong alam natin. Hindi naman sa hindi tayo kontento sa kung anong meron tayo, kaya lang may opportunity tayong ma-miss out if we forget to acknowledge the fact that there are more blessings awaiting for us. All we have to do is seek wisdom from Him, from the source of love, from the source of grace. We have to seek Him. How do we know our worth? We just have to pray, meditate, and seek wisdom from God. And to add, we need silence. We often neglect the power of prayer. There is power in prayer. May dapat kang asahan sa Diyos. Ito yung klase ng pag-asa. Again, know your worth. Sabi sa Psalm 62, verse 5, For God alone, O my soul, wait in silence, for my hope is from Him.